What if I told you that the secret to a permanently spotless home costs you absolutely nothing? No expensive cleaning products, no hours of scrubbing, no exhausting deep clean weekends, just 10 simple daily habits that the Japanese have quietly practiced for centuries. And once you see these habits in action, you will never look at your home the same way again. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the Japanese philosophy of cleanliness, and I promise you, by the end of this video, your home will transform. Now before we get started, a quick note. Everything I show you today is completely safe, practical, and costs you $0. These habits work in any home, any size, any country. Watch this video all the way through because every single habit builds on the last one. Do not skip any part, because the habit you skip might be the exact one that changes everything for you. And if you have not subscribed yet, hit that button right now because we drop powerful home transformation content every single week. Let us get into it. Japan consistently ranks as one of the cleanest countries on earth. Walk into a Japanese home and you will be shocked. Spotless floors, surfaces so clean they almost shine, not a single item out of place. And the question everyone asks is, how do they do it? Do they spend hours cleaning every day? Absolutely not. The Japanese secret is not one big cleaning session. It is 10 tiny daily habits that together create a home that practically cleans itself. This philosophy is rooted in a concept called soji, which translates roughly to cleaning as a spiritual and mindful act. In Japan, cleanliness is not a chore, it is a lifestyle. And today I'm going to hand you all 10 of those habits, explained clearly, so you can start using them immediately. Here is what makes these habits scientifically brilliant. Mess and dirt never appear all at once. They build up gradually, layer by layer, day by day. A crumb here, a dusty surface there, a shoe left in the doorway. Each small incident seems harmless on its own, but give it a week, and suddenly your home feels overwhelming. The Japanese understood something powerful. If you intercept mess at the moment it is created, it never accumulates. Think of it like a bank account. Spend a little every day and you always stay in control. Ignore it and suddenly you're buried in debt. These 10 habits are your daily spending plan, small, consistent, effortless. And the cumulative result is a home that stays permanently clean without any heroic cleaning efforts. You will not need any special tools or products, a cloth, a broom, a mop, and items already in your home are more than enough. Let us go through all 10 right now. The first habit is removing your shoes at the door every single time, without exception. In Japan, this is sacred. The entryway, called the genkin, is the boundary between the outside world and the clean sanctuary of your home. Shoes carry an extraordinary amount of bacteria, dirt, pesticides, and debris from the streets. Studies have shown that the average shoe sole carries over 400,000 bacteria. When you wear shoes inside, you are spreading all of that across your floors with every step. By removing shoes at the door, you eliminate the number one source of floor contamination instantly. Place a small mat or rack at your entrance. Keep it tidy. Make it a household rule with no exceptions. You will immediately notice your floors stay cleaner longer and your mopping sessions become rare events instead of weekly necessities. The second habit is wiping surfaces the moment you see them become dirty. The Japanese call this immediate intervention. Do not walk past a dusty shelf and tell yourself you will get to it later. Later becomes never. Keep a small, soft cloth or microfiber towel in every room. The moment you notice a surface is dusty or smudged, wipe it immediately. It takes 3 seconds. 3 seconds versus a full cleaning session later. This single habit alone cuts your weekly cleaning time by almost half. The third habit is washing dishes immediately after every meal. In Japanese households, letting dishes sit in the sink is virtually unheard of. And the reason is simple. Fresh food residue slides off with almost no effort. Dried, caked-on food requires scrubbing, soaking, and real energy. The moment you finish eating, rinse your plate and wash it. Not later, not after your show finishes. Right away. Your kitchen stays clean, your sink stays empty, and the heart of your home always looks presentable. The fourth habit is making your bed within 5 minutes of waking up. This one sounds too simple to matter, but here is the psychology behind it. Your bedroom is the room you see first in the morning and last at night. A made bed instantly makes the entire room look 70% cleaner and more organized, and more importantly, completing a small task at the very start of your day builds momentum. It sets your brain into an ordered, productive mode. The Japanese believe that how you begin your morning shapes everything that follows. Make your bed. Every single day. No exceptions. It takes under 5 minutes and the visual impact is immediate and dramatic. The fifth habit is the one-touch rule. This is perhaps the most powerful organizational habit in Japanese daily life. The one-touch rule means every single item in your home has one designated place. And when you pick something up or use it, it goes back to that place immediately. Not on the nearest surface, not on the chair, not on the counter. Back to its exact home. Clutter is not created by having too many things. Clutter is created by things not having a specific place to belong. Assign every item a home. Touch it once. Return it immediately. Your home will feel calmer, more spacious, and infinitely cleaner without a single cleaning product being used. The sixth habit is a 10-minute evening reset before bed. Every evening, before you go to sleep, spend exactly 10 minutes walking through your home and restoring order. Put items back where they belong. Wipe the kitchen counter. Straighten the cushions. Clear any clutter from tables and surfaces. This single evening habit means you wake up every morning to a clean, organized home. That psychological effect is enormous. Starting your day in a clean space reduces stress, increases focus, and makes you feel genuinely in control of your life. Set a 10-minute timer. Move quickly. Do it every single night. The seventh habit is decluttering one item every single day. In Japan, there's a deep cultural principle rooted in minimalism, the idea that owning less means living more. You do not have to do a massive decluttering session. Simply pick up one item every day that you no longer need, use, or love. One item. Put it in a donation box, throw it away, or give it to someone who needs it. Doing this daily means that over 1 year, you remove over 365 items from your home. 365 fewer things to clean around, organize, and manage. Your home becomes lighter, cleaner, and easier to maintain with every single passing day. The eighth habit is cleaning while you wait. Japanese homes are maintained through stolen moments. While you wait for the kettle to boil, wipe the stovetop. While you wait for a file to download, dust the shelf beside you. While you wait for the shower to warm up, wipe down the bathroom mirror. These stolen 30-second bursts of cleaning are invisible in terms of effort, but monumental in terms of results. Instead of standing idle, you are maintaining your home in small, invisible increments throughout the day. Over a full week, those stolen moments add up to hours of cleaning completed without ever setting aside cleaning time. The ninth habit is bathroom cleaning during your daily routine. In Japan, the bathroom is cleaned as part of the daily shower routine. After you shower, take 60 seconds to rinse down the walls, wipe the shower screen, and spray the toilet with a cleaner. Soap scum, mold, and lime scale never get the chance to build up because they are removed the moment they begin to form. A bathroom cleaned in 60-second daily increments never needs a brutal deep clean. Keep your cleaning cloth and a small spray bottle inside the bathroom permanently. Make it effortless to reach. Make it part of your daily shower routine so it becomes automatic rather than intentional. The 10th habit is gratitude toward your home. This one might surprise you. In Japanese culture, the home is treated as a living space that deserves respect and appreciation. Before leaving for work or at the end of the day, the Japanese take a brief moment to appreciate their home, to notice the clean surfaces, to feel grateful for the organized space. This mindset shift is profoundly powerful because when you genuinely appreciate and respect your space, you naturally become more careful about how you treat it. You stop leaving things on the floor. You stop letting dishes pile up. You become intrinsically motivated to maintain the cleanliness rather than needing external pressure or a major mess to trigger a cleaning session. Cleanliness becomes a habit driven by love for your space rather than frustration with disorder. Now, let us talk about what happens when you put all 10 of these habits together. On day 1, the impact feels small. You remove your shoes. You wash your dishes immediately. You make your bed. You wipe a surface. By the end of the first week, the difference is already visible. Your floors are noticeably cleaner. Your kitchen looks consistently tidy. Your bathroom has not accumulated soap scum. Your surfaces are free of dust. By the end of the first month, something extraordinary happens. Your home maintains itself. Deep cleaning sessions become rare. You stop spending weekends scrubbing because there's nothing left to scrub. The before is a home that overwhelms you every weekend with a backlog of accumulated mess. The after is a home that stays permanently clean through invisible daily effort that costs you nothing and feels almost effortless. That is the Japanese way. Not perfection. Consistent, mindful, small actions. Every single day. A few practical tips to help you build these habits successfully. Start with just 3 habits in your first week. Do not try to implement all 10 at once. Pick the 3 that feel most natural to your lifestyle and build from there. Tell your household members about these habits. Cleanliness systems only work when everyone participates. If you live alone, make yourself accountable by tracking your habits in a small journal for the first 30 days. If you have children, make shoe removal, dishwashing, and the evening reset family rituals. Children who grow up with these habits carry them for life. Do not aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. A habit done imperfectly every day is infinitely more powerful than a habit done perfectly once a week. And remember, these habits work in any home, any size, any budget. You need nothing you do not already have. These 10 Japanese daily habits are not a cleaning system. They are a way of living, a way of respecting your space, your time, and your own mental peace. The Japanese have known for centuries what most of us are only now discovering. A spotless home is not the result of extraordinary cleaning effort. It is the result of extraordinary daily consistency. Shoes at the door, immediate wiping, dishes right away, bed made every morning, one-touch rule for every item, 10-minute evening reset, 1 item decluttered daily, cleaning in stolen moments. 60-second bathroom routine. Gratitude for your space. 10 habits. 0 cost. A permanently spotless home. Start today with just 1 habit, then add another tomorrow. And within 30 days, your home will look and feel like a completely different space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow and reach more people who need this. Drop a comment below and tell me which of the 10 habits you are going to start with today. I read every single comment. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Next time, I'm going to show you 5 Japanese kitchen habits that eliminate cooking mess before it even starts. You do not want to miss that one. Until then, keep it clean, keep it simple, and I will see you in the next video.